Learning how to deal with acne has been an ongoing struggle for me. But it wasn't just acne, it was the insecurity, discomfort, and how it almost shattered my confidence and self-worth is what I found the most challenging. Now, for the most part, I didn't know where to start, what kind of products to look out for. Heck, I didn't even know why I got acne, let alone the treatment for it. If this hits the home turf, then you come to the right place. Hi guys, I'm Janika and today I'm going to take you through my acne journey. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. For those that don't know, I have been an influencer for quite some time and the beauty industry in general can be cruel because everyone expects you to have clear skin. And thankfully, a while ago, it was all good in the hood. But about a year and a half, I started noticing bouts of acne on my skin. I decided to get myself tested and I found out that I had PCOS that had been triggering acne. Since PCOS is a lifestyle trigger problem, I started focusing on eating right, making mindful lifestyle related changes, but that was the internal bit. But for the topical bit, I tried a whole bunch of products. Sadly, there was no respite. I wasn't willing to give up and so I continued my quest to find products that will help reduce acne. A tip that I got from a friend of mine was to look out for products created by dermatologists. And that's when I found out the brand Acne Squad. In a crux, it is a brand co-created with dermatologists that has broken down the acne life cycle into 4 simple key stages with targeted solutions for every stage. So what are these stages and why should anyone with acne pay any heed to them? Let me quickly break it down for you and then I'll show you some of the products that I have been using from this brand that have worked wonders for my acne problem. So the first stage is what is called acne prone, where your skin turns prone to acne. This may be because of puberty, hormone imbalance, eating junk food, less water intake, or an unhealthy lifestyle. The second stage is when you start noticing that your pores are getting clogged. These clogged pores then turn into blackheads and whiteheads and take you one step closer to acne. The third stage is the actual breakout and that happens when you ignore signs of stage 2 and let the whitehead or blackhead remain untreated, ultimately turning into red, inflamed breakouts. And the fourth stage is post-breakout, where the inflammation has gone, but left behind acne scars, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Okay, so now you know what are the stages, but how will you know which stage does your acne belong to? They made it pretty simple. All you gotta do is visit their website, which I have linked in the description box. Take the quiz and in minutes you'll be able to identify your acne stage. Now the way they have broken down the whole acne gamut is that you have to follow an always-on regime routine. These include a Kickstarter cleanser, a Wonder toner and a multitasking moisturizer plus sunscreen. And secondly, in addition to the always-on regime, since I am at stage 4 of my acne cycle, which is post-breakout, I also include active boosters like the Super Savior Serum and Super Savior Spot Corrector. And the third part of my acne routine is exfoliating my skin on weekly basis with products like the exfoliating scrub, which I use twice a week and apply, and the incredible peeling tonic that I use once a week. So I first kick off my routine with the Kickstart cleanser. Take a pea-sized amount and gently massage it on a damp face. Wash your face with it in the morning and the night to soothe acne in just 3 days. It is formulated with a patented blend such as the thymol tea essence that reduces acne-causing bacteria while being able to soothe active acne. It also has salicylic acid which helps unblock clogged pores and prevent future breakouts. Then I soothe my face with the Wonder toner. Dab a little on your face and neck in the morning and night after deep cleansing your face. With 4% PHA, it acts as a mild exfoliator and also helps minimize enlarged pores and works towards tightening them. So since I'm still recovering from a bout of active acne, I apply the Super Savior Serum. Just shake the bottle to activate the ingredients and then apply 2-3 drops of serum on the face. Make sure to gently pat it into the skin and not rub. This fast-absorbing ultra-light formula infused with a 4 times blend of vitamin B3, vitamin E, hexyl resorcinol and retinol that reduces pigmentation within 4 weeks, restores your skin's natural glow and encourages collagen production. I then follow up with this multitasker product, which is a moisturizer plus sunscreen. Take a generous amount and apply it all over the face. This product is formulated with powerhouse ingredients like vitamin B3 and vitamin E, both of which protect against harsh sun damage yet simultaneously hydrate and moisturize your skin. Make sure to reapply it if you are out under the sun for the whole day. I then follow up with the Super Savior Spot Corrector because this is when the healing stage begins, aka stage 4. This is the time when dark spots, blemishes and scars make a nasty appearance. Just apply a thin layer on and around the dark spots. This potent corrector is uniquely designed to help reduce as well as transfer of melanin in your skin. I then like to exfoliate the skin with the exfoliating scrub, so just take a coin-size amount and apply on wet skin. Gently massage a thin layer in circular motions. Once done, rinse it off. I like to use this twice a week, but if you have active acne, avoid it completely. This scrub is formulated with 2% salicylic acid that helps cleanse physically and chemically and also increases cell turnover and healthy skin. And once a week, I use this incredible peeling tonic, which is that extra anti-acne boost our skin needs before cleansing. Just apply a thin layer onto clean and dry skin for not more than 10 minutes. And then rinse it off. Its triple action formula helps in reversing sun damage, curbs wrinkles, hydrates and tones, plus improves skin's elasticity. Say goodbye to pimples by adding Acne Squad's range to your skincare routine for flawless skin. I hope you liked this video on my acne journey. If you are interested in any of these products, I've added purchasing links of the products shown in the video in the description below. Do check it out. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Bye!